So further in the Surah Maryam 19:22-23, فَحَمَلَتْهُ فَانْتَبَذَتْ بِهِ مَكَانًا قَصِيًّا. So she conceived him and she separated with him to a remote place. فَأَجَاءَهَا الْمَخَاضُ إِلَى جِذْعِ النَّخْلَةِ قَالَتْ يَا لَيْتَنِي مِتُّ قَبْلَ هَذَا وَكُنْتُ نَسِيًّا مَنْسِيًّا. So the pains drove her towards the trunk of the palm tree. She said, "Oh, I wish I had died before this, and I was lost, forgotten." Surah Maryam 19:24-25-26 in continuation. فَنَادَهَا مِن تَحْتِهَا أَلَّا تَحْزَنِي قَدْ جَعَلَ رَبُّكِ تَحْتَكِ سَرِيًّا. Then from beneath her, the Essence Spirit called her that you do not grieve. Without doubt, your Lord has made a spring beneath you. So where Mary's position is, when she was having that pain, she asked God that I should have died before this happened to me. But the Spirit Essence gave her the comfort to her and said, there is a spring beneath you. وَهُزِّي إِلَيْكِ بِجِذْعِ النَّخْلَةِ تُسَاقِطْ عَلَيْكِ رُطَبًا جَنِيًّا. And shake towards you with the trunk of a palm tree, the fresh ripe dates will fall on you. فَكُلِي وَاشْرَبِي وَقَرِّي عَيْنًا فَإِمَّا تَرِيَنَّ مِنَ الْبَشَرِ أَحَدًا فَقُولِي إِنِّي نَذَرْتُ لِلرَّحْمَنِ صَوْمًا فَلَنْ أُكَلِّمَ الْيَوْمَ إِنْسِيًّا. So eat the fresh ripe dates and drink from the spring and cool your eyes. Then if you see anyone from a human, so say, surely I have dedicated a fast for the most gracious, so I will not speak to any person or socialize this day. Now, the narration is that there is a palm tree and beneath is a river, or you can say a spring. Now God says you take hold of the trunk of the palm tree and shake, and the dates will fall down. So the position of Mary and the time factor, when the dates are ripe, is in winter or summer? Summer. So you can understand that Jesus was born in summer. And the drink is there. The drink is there. So there is a narration in the Bible also, it appears to be in the summer. But I don't know how it has become 25th December, that people have to work for it. I am not a historian. So the Bible also speaks of summer, they say. Anyway, so the question is, what I'm narrating is, the fresh date ripe dates will fall by the trunk of the palm tree. And then further God says to fast, of not speaking to anyone. Why to fast? Because this, even today also, even today I'm telling you, if a woman like this comes in front of us, will I believe that she's a hermaphrodite and she produced herself? So God says you fast. And only you refer to Jesus. In the Quran, it refers to Jesus. But before that, she had given the birth to Jesus. Now she comes with Jesus holding in her arms. Maryam 19:27-28. فَأَتَتْ بِهِ قَوْمَهَا تَحْمِلُهُ قَالُوا يَا مَرْيَمُ لَقَدْ جِئْتِ شَيْئًا فَرِيًّا. Then she came with him to her people carrying him. They said, "O Mary, without doubt you have brought an invented thing." The people said, "Ya ukhta Harun, ma kana abuki imra sawim wa ma kanat ummuki baghiya." O sister of Aaron, neither your father was bad man nor your mother was wrong. This is a normal reaction to anyone, any woman who is like this, and if God has, by the order of by the Spirit of God, be and it was, child was, who can defend? Only Jesus.